Welcome class 10th. We have started some of first n terms in AP. Yes or no? You are knowing formula. What is formula? Sn equal to Sn upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Got it? Second formula, you know, if last term of AP is given, Sn equal to n upon 2 bracket a plus l. Right? And children, see, if we are asked to find sum of first 100 positive integers, sum of first n positive integers. If I take 100, we can take n. Okay? See, students, look here, very simple. I am taking example. See, you will remember this formula. So 1, 2, 3, up to 10. We'll take small AP. Okay? Now see, they are asking us to find sum. So I am taking S10. Yes, no? 1 to 10, only 10 integers are there. So I am taking 10 upon 2. Bracket first term plus last term. See, if I take n terms, now look here. Same thing I am writing. 1, 2, 3, dot, n. Yes or no? In the same way, I will write Sn equal to n upon 2 bracket 1 plus n. Got it? It means we got the third formula of sum of terms in AP. If it is special AP of positive integers, then sum of first n positive integers is given as Sn equal to n bracket n plus 1 upon 2. So, but all of you remember these three formulae. Sn equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Sn equal to n by 2 bracket a plus l. Sn equal to n bracket n plus 1 upon 2. These three formulae are very essential to know. Remember. Okay? Fine. Now we will take exercise 5.3, third example. First and second we did. Okay? Exercise 5.3, example number 3. Okay? Let us take now. I am taking, see, in an AP, it is given in the textbook, in an AP. I am taking first part. Look there. What is given? A equal to 5. D equal to 3. An equal to 50. And they are asking us to find n and Sn. Got it? Find n and Sn. Please read properly and understand what is given. So see, we are given A, means first term given. D is given 3. An is known. So from A, D and An, we can find n. Yes or no? See, An equal to what? Yes, can you tell me? A plus n minus 1 D. So An dalo, 50, 50. A is known. Plus n minus 1, D is how much? 3. 5 comes this side, 45 equal to 3 bracket n minus 1. So see, you are getting it, n minus 1. So n equal to 16. Yes or no? After we get n 16, we can find Sn. Hey, what is the formula of Sn? Sn equal to, see, there are three formulae. Okay, now here last term not given, so a plus l we cannot use. This is not the sum of first positive integers, so we cannot use that third formula. We will take only general formula first we discussed about, that is 2a plus n minus 1 d. Got it? Now see, Sn, we are Sn n 16, so S16. Now I think you got it now. 16 upon 2. Put the value of 2. A is what, beta? Put the value of A is what? 5 plus n is what? 16 minus 1 means 15. D is how much? That is 3. Got it? Very simple. Student, children, this example is just to see how many students remember. अगर A, D और N दिया है तो आपको N आना आता है. Okay. Please remember this, right? Now see, 45 plus 10, 55 multiplied by 8. So S16 equal to 8 multiplied by 55. Yes or no? So S16 equal to multiply by 8. 8 5 is 40. 8 5 is 40 plus 4, 44. This is what your answer. Okay. From this it's very clear to understand. Students, remember, if A, D, A, N is given, we can find N. Okay. If we find N, then we can find any term. We can make AP. Got it? Very good. Now see, I am taking student a third part of the example 3. See, third part. Okay. See what is given in third part. A12 equal to 37. D equal to 3. Find A and S12. See now. For finding sum of any term, we need N, A and D. Yes or no? So N is known, A is required, D is known. Got it? Now A12 given. You are knowing formula of A12. What is that? A12 equal to A plus 11D. See student, very simple thing. Sometimes if we don't remember the formula of each term, A12 होता है A plus 11D, 15 term A15 होता है A plus 14D, ये याद रखना जरूरी है. आपको A12 is known, D is known, ये आराम से आ जाएगा. Yes or no? See, 12 is 37. I am putting value of A don't know. 11 into 3, so 37 equal to A plus 33, है ना? 33 इधर आएगा, 37 minus 33 कितना हो जाएगा? 4. A you got 4. If you get A equal to 4, students please see, A is known, D is known, okay? N is known. We can find easily. Therefore, see now, S12 equal to 12 upon 2. Now we are in class 10th. We can do this very easily. Yes or no? See, S12 equal to 6. A की वैल्यू क्या है सर? 4. 2 4 8 plus n minus 1 what? 11. 11 into 3 33. No? See, 11 into D is 3 33. 11 33. 33 plus 8 41. So that is 6 multiplied by 41. Okay, now multiply 6 1 6 6 4 the 24. So S12 equal to 246. Students, please remember, if any term is given, D is given, you can find first term. And if you can find first term, then you can find sum of the terms up to same number, same term. Okay, so S12. Now I am taking fifth part. See, I am taking fifth part. Please concentrate properly. D is given 5. Okay. S9 is given 75. In sum of 9 terms given to you. Okay. Find A and A9. Find A and A9. 9th term is required. ओहो, अब देखिए सर, आपको D दिया हुआ है, A9 पूछा है, A पूछा है, तो A9 का फॉर्मूला अगर मैं लिखूं तो A plus 8D होता है. Yes or no? We don't know A9, we don't know A, we only know D. So this formula I remember, but at present not useful. Now S9 formula you know. See, I am writing S9 formulas. S9 equal to yes, can you tell me? 9 upon 2 bracket, yes, to A is not known, plus n minus 1 means what? 8D. Yes or no? Understanding? N upon 2 2A plus n minus 1 means 9 minus 1 D. Yes or no? 8D. S9 is known 75. Okay, 9 upon 2, right? Now look here, children. I am writing this again properly. 2a I can write a plus 8d. See, a plus 8d is a9. हमें डायरेक्ट a9 मिल जाएगा. Yes or no? D is known. D is given to you. Let us put D value. We will get a here. See, look, 75. Now we will put value of D. Okay, see, 9 upon 2 bracket a plus 8 to a plus 8 5 is 40, right? Cross multiplication, 150, 2 comes this side, so 75 to the 150, equal to 9 multiplied by 2a plus 40. Okay, this 9 also brought this side, 150 upon 9 equal to 2a plus 4040. Now see, this is cancelable by 3. Yes or no? 3 3 9, 3 pi is 15, 50 upon 3. 40 comes this side, minus 40 equal to 2a. Please check properly. See, S9 formula written. You have put value of D. Okay, S9 is known, 9 means end value known, cross multiplication, simplification, divided by 9, okay, cancellation by 3, so we cancelled by 3, okay, 40 brought this side, minus 40, now take LCM, see, yes, 50 minus 120 upon 3, that is equal to 2a, okay, now see 50 minus 120, how much? Minus 70 upon 3, yes or no, equal to 2a. So 2 comes this side, yes or no. So 2 comes this side means minus 70 upon 3 multiplied by 2 equal to a. 2 से cancel कर दो sir, 2 3 6, remainder 1, 2 5 10. Got it? Now see students, look here. Okay, you got a equal to minus 35 upon 3. Got it? Value of a is known to you. Now you are asked to find a9. A known, a9 you can find. Clear? Check properly and get it now. See, a is known. A minus 35 upon 3. Okay. A9 equal to a plus 8d. So minus 35 upon 3 plus 8 pi is 40. See, minus 35 upon 3 plus 120. Okay, whole divided by 3. You are getting now. See, 120 minus 35, how much beta? Subtract 65 plus 20, 85. That is bigger number positive, we get it upon 3. So not cancelable. So you got the answer A9 equal to 85 upon 3. Such examples are called application based examples. Students are knowing S9 formula, putting values. From this they are putting value D, and simple simplification, you got this one, right? Now children, look here. I will take again 3 examples of question 3, okay, in next AP, because AP is becoming this next video, sorry, because video becomes longer. See the video, watch the video 2 times and try to understand, okay? See you.